Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Escape the Supermarket obby. So I am with Kaylar and Nelson. Say hi guys.
Hey guys!
So we are playing Escape the Supermarket, so let's talk to this dude. Okay, I already talked, so I guess we're going now. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit. So the manager has gone mad and we have to escape. So that's it. Let's just escape. Lucky Charms, milk. Oh my gosh! I didn't die, guys. Did you see? I didn't die. When I touched the milk, I didn't die. That's amazing.
Oh.
Reese's Puff. Rice Krispies.
Ketchup. Yeah. Ketchup.
What is this? Ketchup and mustard.
Ketchup. Ketchup and ketchup.
Guys, comment down below, what do you like the most? Ketchup or mustard? Where do you think you're going? Okay. Chill out, bro.
I'm dying.
I need to buy Robux. Kaylar, do you want to buy Robux? Because I'm going to buy Robux. I'm going to buy that and this and that. Kaylar just come here for just the Robux. Very appreciate. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you even race with me, I think I'm the loser right here. Okay. Hopefully I won't. Kaylar, go back. Again, what is this?
Oh my god, I feel like that place is free.
Oh my gosh, that's
Whoa,
not
whoa, whoa.
good.
OMG, look.
What?
Aha.
How did you do
got a
that?
hack.
How did you do that?
I
I think it's supposed to be like this.
No, you guys go like up over here.
I'm hungry. The supermarket is falling apart. Jump over these convenience place.
Wait for me. I died.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait for me.
Nah, I'm just gonna go now.
I'm like, hey, wait for your Kaylar's brother.
What did he say? The supermarket is floating. Go through the vents. Oh, vents? It is floating. Oh my gosh. Guys, let's
The
go.
supermarket is falling apart. Jump over these conventional place bricks.
Guys, have you heard that? I'm eating Pringles. Okay.
There's nothing. Oh.
What is this?
Wait for me.
Oh my
I'm
gosh!
dying.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna fall. Okay, I did it.
Wait for me. You guys are waiting for me.
I'm sorry, Nelson, but we're not allowed to wait.
Flooding. Go through the vent.
Why did I... Oh my gosh! No! Oh, I did it. So guys, we're not gonna wait for each other, so.
I'm at the first now.
Oh my gosh.
Parkour.
Oh! You know what? I'm just gonna wait for Kaylar. You died? Oh my god, it's so glitchy.
You guys are not even waiting for me.
I'm sorry!
No!
Oh my gosh.
Wait for me. Oh wow.
The fruits and vegetables are all over the vase. Avoid being touched by them.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm here. I'm coming.
Okay, quick.
Oh.
Can I touch these? I can. Can I touch the water? We can. Never mind. Where is you, Nelson? Let's see.
This vent part is hard.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Just walk on it. Just gonna
I
eat Pringles while
that.
waiting for Nelson because I'm very bored.
I'm dying. Okay. Go. Why make me jump? Okay, so I'm playing.
Kaylar, let's just go. Oh my gosh.
Right.
Avoid touching them, he said. So, not gonna touch these.
Hey, wait!
Kaylar, I said we're going now.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh. Not the candy or the... Oh no, the bubble gums fall everywhere. Touching the toxic... no. Avoid touching the toxic. Even McDonald's? You mean, manager?
McDonald's, please give me some. French fries. Ow!
Avoid touching the burgers and fries and tacos. No, not the foods. And you died. You know you weren't supposed to touch it.
But
Can
no,
we go
I
in
want to
here?
touch it.
Oh my gosh, we can go. I'm eating everything. Nom, nom, nom.
Hey!
I ate all of it. Ah.
Um,
Let's just go now before they see us. Burgers.
what's that?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I'm almost there. Wait for me.
Where are you? Is the playground gonna flood? Not the playground.
I need a playground. You see me?
No,
I'm
I
at the
can't.
bubblegum place.
No. Oh, I see you. I see you. You're at the elevator.
Oh, avoid touching the burger fry
Okay,
and
bye-bye.
tacos.
Stop speaking British.
What? Really?
Oh my gosh, Risa. Oh my god, what is that?
Okay, wait.
What's in here? We have to go in here. I'm not gonna wait for them because
This burger makes me jump high. You keep going without us.
because you guys are taking forever and my time limit is gonna be gone.
Bruh, how do we do this? How do we do this by the... Oh, wait, what? You go here. Let's go now.
Can't believe
Woo!
Nelson's.
Oh.
I like this.
Oh.
It would be
How
better
did I
if it's in
die? Can I wait, please?
Let's just go.
No, wait, I'm coming.
This girl, she's pretty. Okay, no. To be honest, she kind of looks creepy.
Yeah, really creepy.
Like, she's not ugly and everything, but she's like creepy.
That's not how lipsticks. I hate lipsticks.
I like lipsticks. I only wear like,
I died.
oh my gosh. That's why you shouldn't say lipsticks are stupid and weird.
Lipstick are stupid. Lipstick are stupid.
The lipsticks are gonna kill you, you know.
I didn't die.
Well, you die at first. I hate lasers, guys. Like if you hate lasers.
Subscribe if you don't like hate lasers.
Okay.
I subscribe.
No!
I love.
Oh, Nelson died
Okay.
too. Okay.
Did
I touch something?
I'm not gonna wait for you anymore.
Yeah, don't wait for me. How did I get here?
How?
The army likes me.
The obby hates me more than me.
Okay. Yay! Balls!
Woo! Punching.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Where are we supposed to go?
Oh wait, we don't need to not touch it.
Oh really? Wow. Okay. This looks like an obstacle course.
Not
What?
here.
Oh.
Oh my god, we're in an opposite way. Slide!
Whee! I sound weird. Yellow! I love you, Yellow. That dragon is sticking their butt out. Find the vent exit to the and that leads to the top part of the supermarket. Oh my gosh. Not maze. Oh, guys.
Oh, I hate maze.
Oh. Guys. No! I hate mazes. I'm gonna cry if I don't escape.
I got it.
What? Oh, hello.
Like if you. Oh, I got it also.
No, someone's gonna say, like if you. I got it also.
Like if you got it also.
Guys, I don't think you guys like play this. Just so, guys, comment down below if you actually play this too. Just say yes, I do, and we will know it.
Just say bleh, and then you say, we'll be like, wow, you did it.
I keep dying. Ooh, Teresa! Oh, Nikes! Wow. How do we go up? Help! Oh, okay, I did it.
Oh, I hate a maze.
Another maze?
Yup. Oh, I hate it.
Ugh.
This floor is still on a maze. Please, don't die.
Where's the maze? Where's the maze?
Please, so many-
This floor is still under construction. Be careful. Oh my god, there's more Robux? Okay. He said this is under construction.
Noobs.
Guys, oh.
You guys are winning me. Nope.
This door is locked.
Go through the freezer.
Go through the
Oh my God,
freezer.
so disgusting.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I like meat, but I wasn't expecting this disgusting.
Yeah. Oh my God, I died. Please wait for me.
No, you didn't wait for me, so no. Okay, why are there boxes?
Oh my God. Why
And
are there meats and boxes in a refrigerator? Like literally. Boxes are not supposed to be in a refrigerator.
I know, right? Oh my gosh.
This is so strange. I'm never gonna play this game anymore.
What? Okay. Huh?
Huh? Where to go?
The warehouse is full of lasers. Oh. Avoid touching them because they are deadly. I'm scared.
Don't eat it without me, Teresa.
Well, you have to calm. You're trying to skip me, but like, you didn't. Oh, now you did.
Haha.
Now I'm trying to skip you. I'm trying to skip you.
But you can't.
Haha, I skipped you.
Oh my God. Teresa, please wait for me, or I'm no longer your friend.
Kaylar, you can't do that.
I can. I gave you a horse. You gave me just a neon monkey. Is that a fair trade? Comment down below if it is a fair trade or not.
It's a neon
What do you
monkey.
guys think? Comment down below.
I don't know.
The warehouse is. Oh, wait.
Guys, I'm almost winning. Step on the yellow pad to run back to safety. Okay, we have to be quick because my timer's almost done. Where do we go? Oh. Guys, I won! Okay, this is a perfect timing because, oh my god, yellow. We escaped the supermarket! Yeah, step on these paths to play more fun games like this one. Guys, do you want to see us playing these games? But we're gonna have to stop this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe notification, and yeah, stay awesome, stay sweet, and bye.